Hey, welcome everybody to week number 11, and we continue to work on our PowToon, guys. We continue to work on it, and just to remind you guys, so you're going to on the address bar at the top, right here at the top, you're going to type PowToon, and you're then going to sign in with your Google account, and once you're done signing for Google account, then you're ready. Going to bring you straight to this page. It's going to say hi, then your name. And what are we doing this week? Before I tell you what we're doing this week, it's super exciting. Your feedback that you guys sent to me last week, it was super exciting. It was beautiful. I really enjoyed reading your comments, what exactly you did, and I'm looking forward to a lot of that. However, this week, guys, the assignment is more guided. You have freedom though, but it's more guided. What are we doing this week? I'd like us guys to create a Ghana International School timeline. Ghana International School timeline, and we can, if you like, you can use this template. Okay, if you like, you can use this template, which I'm going to show it to you now. If not, you can use any other template of your choice. Okay, so you can click on template, and once you get to template, there are a lot of templates, so you will just check and choose whichever you want. But if you think you like the one that I'm going to use and that I'm going to show it to you now, yes, you may use it. You may use it, and I'm going to come right here, just this arrow. You're going to give me the option to say personal, so I'm going to click on personal. Okay, now I'm on personal. Remember, what are we doing? We're creating Ghana International School timeline. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I think yes, it's somewhere. It says video timeline resume. So you click on it. Then once you're done clicking on it, it's going to show you how it looks like. I think this one looks cool. Looks cool. Okay. Then you're going to have a look. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Looks very eye catchy, very engaging. It's beautiful to see. Okay, so I like it. Then what's the next step? The next step I'm going to click on edit this template. Then after editing the template, then it's going to load and opening on another tab. So it's saying loading awesomeness. Awesomeness is being loaded. Let's wait for the awesomeness to come this up. Okay, let's see. 3 seconds, I think. I think now my internet is quite slow, so it's going to take a while. Okay, I think it's ready. I'm gonna move my face to the other side. So let's do that too. Okay, so it's still loading because my internet is quite slow. Okay, let me take it. So you're then going to change the information right here. And let me show you how to do it. Okay, so I will say GIS timeline. Okay, and I will just as the same way as you work on your um, slides, Prezi, you do the same thing. So I'm just want to reduce the font. So it says 233. That's quite big. It's quite massive. So I'm gonna drop it slightly. Come, let's move fast. Can I change it there? Yes, I can change it there. So I'm gonna make it 50. Let's see how 50 works. No, don't make it 200. We made a big number. Okay. Let's see how it works. Yeah, timeline. It's a bit small. Okay, so you'll get the size that you really like. Okay, 60. Let me say 120. Let's see how it looks. Okay, 120. I'm gonna do this. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna center. You bold this by now. You know. You like to underline color. What color do you want? I'm gonna leave it. I wanna leave it black. So choose any color you like. So I'm gonna leave it black for now. Occupancy. How visible do you want it to be? Okay, nothing happened. So I'm gonna leave it right there. And effects like effects, how do you want it to move? You can say weight by weight or what. Okay, I'm gonna go for weight by weight, or you can say pop. Okay, it's gonna pop. Then right here, how do you want it to come in? It's going to pop. How do you want it to leave your screen? Let me click on exit. Okay, how do you want it to leave your screen? I would say I want it to go, okay, to go down. Okay, and you can also add the hand. Let me show you how to add the hand. You got a female hand, got a male hand. Okay, I'm gonna choose the female hand. Is the hand there? Yeah, I've chose that hand. Let me go back and sound. If you like to add sound as well, you can add sound. There's this sound here. It says, what's the sound? Yeah, you see the sound. So it's quite nice. I think it's quite beautiful. Like there's whoosh one, whoosh two, whoosh. Just go check whichever sound you think you're gonna like. Then use it, guys. You've got freedom to do that. And once you get there, you wanna see how it plays. Okay, there it moves. Okay, and then the hand's gonna take it off, which I think it's cool. Yeah, let's stop it. Okay, so the question mark, we don't want the question marks, therefore you'll click on it and you'll say backspace, then it's gone. So you're done with that one. So you move to the next line. So already the transition side there for you, like here, fade, fade. So I'm gonna click on the second one and you'll say, hey, my name is, you are the one speaking about Ghana International School. Okay, so I'll say, hey, my name is LBK, short for a LBK. You can write your nickname as well. LBK for Liver King. Then you're gonna change in there. If you like to change, if not, you can change the picture as well to you flip it. If you like to flip, you can change it like totally swap. Okay. So you have options to create characters, but then you can also choose from these ones here. I don't know which one you like. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna go for this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, then I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, then I'm gonna choose this one, which looks quite cool. So choose anyone you like, guys. Okay, then you're gonna adjust and do. If you like to get it slightly bigger, you can do that. Whatever you like. Let's see. Then you're going to move to the next one. Next one is right here. Then you move to the next one, and I am ICT teacher. Then you're gonna change a whole lot of things. If you don't like to change, then you leave it like that. So I'm gonna go to next one. If you don't like this one, then you can remove it. I think by if you don't like it, you can remove by coming right here. If you just hover over the slide, the dustbin is gonna come. Then you can remove slide. Okay, I don't want that, so I want this. So if you like to add a picture of yourself, you can do that as well. Do whatever you like, guys. Do whatever you like. You have the power and the freedom. Okay, but okay, let's leave but and see how it's gonna go. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Okay, I'll leave but and let's start from the beginning. Okay, the first one is okay. Here we go. Am I on the right one? Yes. Okay, let's play it and see how it's gonna go. Which one is this? Okay, go here. Okay, then what I want you now to do is to have a look at um, the GIS history document that I shared with you. The document that I shared with you says Ghana's oldest international school, Coast International School, was established on the 1st September. So you're gonna read all of this. So I'd like you to do the following. You're gonna come here. You will then say it's 1953, 1953. Okay, so you'll type 1953. Okay, then right here on the side, what happened in 1953? Then you say Mrs. Kathleen Lyons, wife of then general manager of graphic company and, and members of international school committee meet to discuss the creation of a school of. So you're gonna read this and try to summarize it. Um, so you will then say, okay, the members will type this first one, and we copy it. So more copy and pasting. Okay, then you paste it, and once you're done, you'll adjust it nicely. Okay, let me move it up. Okay, let me move it up. Let's take this off. Let's take this off. I try to reduce the size to 12, 14. Okay, let's see. 14, 14 is too small. Let me see if I can get this block bigger. It's not. I cannot get it bigger. Okay, can move it to this side. Can move it to this size. But it's getting smaller and smaller. I thought I was gonna get it like real big, and it's not coming. Okay, I'm gonna try to see if it's gonna. Okay, now it's coming in beautifully. Okay, that's enough for people to read. Okay, beautiful. Um, I'm gonna reduce the font again, slightly smaller. Okay, so this what happened in 1953, and you then can change the background. Click on swap. Okay, background, whichever you like. I'll choose. You can choose whichever you want uploaded, or you can choose color. So I'm gonna go for yellow. I love bright color, so it looks nice from that side. Let's leave it here. Let's see how it's gonna look. Okay, then we're gonna go to the next one. Next one, it says it looks beautiful. It's a year as a picture information. You can add pictures as well. Pictures. You click on it, then you swap to add a picture. Then you swap, and the picture will come right here. This will come. Okay, yes, this will come. So if you want to use any of these pictures, you. Okay, so the next one, then you're going to go to this folder here. It says that's 1953. In 1955, the Gold Coast International School is open on the first at the Legion Hall with 38 publics, and you're gonna come back here and say, okay, you're creating a timeline for your school. Okay, 1955. Is it 1955? I think 1955. Let me go back to just double check. Yes, 1955. 1955. And the statement here, you're gonna come and say copy and paste it onto your. Or if you don't want to copy and paste it, you can just paraphrase it, write it in a way that's short, sweet, and easy to understand. Okay, let's see how we can write this one. Okay, let's see how we can write this one. Okay, I'll try to move it up so I can have. Okay, so it's slightly challenging to maneuver around, to move it around. So you can just say international. Okay, can you click now? Yes. Okay. Okay, you can say um, international school is open. Okay, international school opened on the 1st September. At this place with, and I think all of it is fine. All of it is fine. So say, um, the school was open, and try to keep it short and sweet so it's easy. So the school was open, so you can do that as well. On shouldn't have tabbed that. Open on the 1st September. Okay, I will just take this off. Just keep it short and sweet. We can do that as well. With 88 pupils in 2 primary classes, and Mrs. Allen strong as is first. Okay, I think we just keep it short like that. 5 pupils in 38. Then you just, okay, let me not do that. So it's quite slightly difficult to adjust it to how you want. But patience, go easy. You got a few days to do this. So don't rush it. Okay, looks like it's fine. Then if you like, you can change the background and change other things. Once you're done, you're happy with everything in here, you can change the picture as well. I've shown you how to change the picture. And remember, guys, you need to save. Right? You need to save. Okay, saving, and it's saving. Okay, my internet is not strong today, so everything is just slow. Yeah, sorry, unexpected error. Okay, reload the page and try again. See, so my internet is bad today. Okay, saved. So if you like to now, so you're gonna work on it until this long document, 1961, 1963, or you can have only the date that you think it's important, like well, 1987, a sixth form course is introduced. 1921, like I think you can leave this one. You're gonna go to whichever you like. So it's you guys with the freedom to choose whatever you want, however you want. Okay, I'll go back here. And once you're done, you're happy, you like to send it to me, you're gonna click on share. And I click on share, doesn't share. Oh, things have changed with PowToon. They've changed it quite a lot. Okay. Um, okay, so let's remove option and image. Okay, let's click. Okay, I was wondering what's happening. So because you're using this template, and the template that we are using, see, so the template that we're using was a premium template. Premium template means it's for people who paid for it, right? Um, Therefore, we can't. But you're then going to come. It's either you can share a link, you can download it. Um, don't do other things. So I'd like you guys to say, okay, share, and I click on share. After saving, make sure that it's saved. And you're gonna copy the link, then you're going to submit the link in Google Classroom. In Google Classroom. But before that, you can just have a preview. See how it's going to go. So it's going to look like that. That's what I did. I'm ICT teacher. The picture is gone, but you make it like very interesting for you guys. Here we go, and it's coming 1953, and there's the details. And the next one didn't appear nicely, so you're gonna change and put the background. Then the next one is gonna change. You're gonna put another year, and just like that. So you're creating a timeline for GIS, and you're gonna share it with me. Be creative. Um, Put on your creative hat and enjoy this activity. It's it's not easy to manage because it's going up and down. So I'd like you guys to have your patience and keep going. I'll see you in the next lesson. For now, goodbye.